Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about one of the easiest ways to earn passive income online, the MilesWeb affiliate program. Affiliates earn a commission of up to 40% of the purchase value per sale, just by sharing a link. One referral can mean thousands in your pocket, and real people are doing it every day. Watch the full video to learn how to get your link and start earning today. MilesWeb is a trusted name in web hosting and domain services, offering reliable solutions for businesses, bloggers, and startups. They provide a variety of hosting options, including cloud, WordPress, VPS, domains, and email services. With MilesWeb, you get speed, reliability, and excellent customer support. Plus, their affiliate program lets you earn up to 40% commission for every referral. Getting started is simple. Scroll to the footer, click Refer and Earn, sign up, and share your unique affiliate link. Promote it on your platforms and start earning whenever you bring in new customers. If you're a blogger, YouTuber, or content creator, this is made for you. It's a perfect way to turn your content into income by introducing MilesWeb to your audience. Whether you're writing a blog post or creating a video, you can naturally recommend MilesWeb as a reliable hosting solution and earn commissions every time someone signs up through your link. Once you're on the affiliate page, just click on Sign Up. Simply fill out the registration form with accurate details. Make sure everything is correct to avoid any issues later. It's completely free to join, no investment, no hidden fees. Once you've completed the form, hit the Register button to officially join the MilesWeb affiliate program. The dashboard is clean and beginner-friendly, putting everything at your fingertips. Start sharing your unique referral link across platforms and earn commissions for every new user you bring in. In the Affiliate Plans tab, you'll see all MilesWeb hosting plans and their commission rates. Earnings vary by plan, from budget-friendly WordPress hosting to premium VPS, so the more referrals you make and the higher the plan, the more you earn. It's a simple, flexible way to boost your income while promoting hosting solutions your audience needs. As an affiliate for this platform, it's essential to know your audience and understand which hosting plan suits their needs best. Once you've identified the right plan, simply grab your referral link for that plan and share it with them. Encourage them to register through your link, and you'll earn a commission every time they make a purchase. As I mentioned earlier, MilesWeb offers a comprehensive range of hosting plans, making it perfect for anyone, from a new startup to large-scale businesses. Whether you're just getting started with a personal blog or running a full-fledged e-commerce store, MilesWeb has you covered with their wide variety of options. They offer everything from basic web hosting and cloud hosting to more advanced VPS hosting, web builder hosting, and even Node.js hosting for developers. What's great about MilesWeb is that their hosting solutions are not only powerful, but also incredibly budget-friendly, meaning you get excellent value for money without sacrificing speed or reliability. Not sure which hosting plan is the best fit for you? No worries at all. You can quickly reach out through the live chat feature and get instant help from the MilesWeb team. Their response time is super fast, and they'll help you choose the perfect plan that suits your needs in no time. MilesWeb offers a wide variety of domain extensions to suit your needs. Whether you're looking for a .com, .in, or even something more unique, they've got you covered. And if you don't have a domain yet, no worries. You can easily register a new one. Need to renew or transfer your existing domain? MilesWeb makes that seamless too. Plus, you can check the prices and choose the domain that fits your budget and business needs, all with a hassle-free experience. MilesWeb has received excellent reviews from users across industries, small businesses, bloggers, and enterprises alike, for its reliability, fast support, and strong performance. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or active social media, the MilesWeb affiliate program is a great way to earn through affiliate marketing. All you have to do is create content, whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media, and promote MilesWeb's hosting services using your affiliate link. When your audience clicks and buys, you earn commissions. It's that simple. So, if you're ready to start earning passive income, I highly recommend joining the MilesWeb affiliate program today and sharing it with your audience. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.